that only no more than 20% of the genetic material is an acquired material that people have in their cells generation by generation. But the most important cause of changes in the production of proteins is the epigenetic. These changes induced by methylation, acetylation of histones, etc., that can induce changes in the expression of our DNA and can induce the production of different proteins. Remember, a stem cell is a specific cell that have the possibility to induce two kinds of cells, because a stem cell have the capability to produce adult cell, but have the capability of induce renewal of this stem cell. This is the characteristic of a stem cell. Can produce adult cells or can renew itself. It's important to know that along the human life, we have a very important reduction in the number of stem cells that we have in a specific tissue. For example, if we think in the skin aging process, we can see in this slide that in a newborn, for example, we have one stem cell for each 10,000 cells. But at the age of 30, the number of stem cells is one for each 250,000 cells. And at the age of 80, we have one cell for each 2 million cells. We can understand that finally, when we think in stem cells, the result is a insufficiency of stem cells during our process of getting older. Why is this important? Don't forget that stem cells are the cells that mainly are related with the process of productions of biosignal. What is a biosignal? In skin regeneration, specifically, or for example, in the regeneration of different tissues, all tissues, the signaling process is a paracrine process. A cell produced inside the cytoplasm, the cytoplasm, the biosignals that are exported outside the cell, for example, inside exosomes, these biosignals falls into the extracellular matrix, and these biosignals act in the neighboring cells by a mechanism of receptors of membranes, and the result of this process is a signaling procedure. And in this procedure of signaling, we need to have growth factors, cytokines, microRNAs, etc., other different specific factors. Regenerative medicine is a very interesting area for medicine today, because aging is a process that defines the future of all our societies. And remember, for example, 100 years ago, in the world there live around 1,500 million people. Today we are almost 8,000 million people. So 100 years ago, the expectancy of life was around 35 to 38 years old. Today we're thinking in